how to use the CCI trading strategy. Today, we will show you how to use the CCI strategy for quick trades, starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the CCI Commodity Channel Index indicator created by Donald Lambert in 1980. CCI helps determine when an asset is overbought or oversold, which can indicate a potential price reversal. How to set up the CCI indicator for quick trades. Set the CCI period to 14 to make it more sensitive to short-term price movements. Watch for overbought and oversold signals. Open an up trade when the CCI falls below -100. This indicates an oversold condition and the price may start to rise. Open a down trade when the CCI rises above +100. This indicates an overbought condition and the price may start to fall. Combine CCI signals with other indicators such as RSI or MACD to improve accuracy. You can learn more about how RSI and MACD indicators work in these videos. Happy trading on Pocket Option.